Next, we will introduce how to set up speed limit zones for highway ramps. Open the Tianfu interchange in Chengdu Road Network, under 9 High-Speed Expressway and interchange in the example folder. Double-click the ramp to open the link settings panel. You can smooth the ramp by setting the number of breakpoints to 30. After adjustment, the ramp curve will become much smoother. In highway scenarios, vehicles entering or exiting ramps need to decelerate, which can be simulated by adding speed limit zones. When setting on a link, you can check the target lanes and create speed limit zones on multiple lanes at the same time. After completing the speed limit zone settings, start the simulation. You can see that vehicles slow down significantly on the ramp. Pause the simulation. Select a vehicle and press keyboard shortcuts to view its detailed information, including speed, acceleration, front vehicle and rear vehicle. You can clearly see that the vehicle speed is lower than that on the main line. Let's switch to the 3D view. These are the settings for speed limit zones on highway ramps.